Did you know that this was a thing? Look how he's just running through them like they're made of plastic. Jambo, you're why I have all my millions. Okay, I need you to be nice for the camera every now and then. I don't call on you that much. Say something at least. This motherfucker fell asleep like this. Beer has got me not a wife yet. Beer. For a girl. Are you... How is the video drunk? What the fuck? How did the iPhone follow you into inebriation? What happened there? iPhone is a piece of metal. Epic Gamer Grandma 4. I like this. That better not be John fucking Pork.
Hello.
You didn't pick it up.
How do I answer this phone? It's John Pork. It's very important.
It's John Pork! No! You don't pick him up. You know what happens to you when you pick that up?